These are what I call my refreshed soaps. These are from the Salting Out Soap tutorial. Both of these are made from soap that had something wrong with it, and I salted it out. Full details are in the tutorial, but then I turned them into new soaps. Okay, this is what is super fun about these. You ready? Okay, so this is my go-to vegan recipe, the oatmeal and calendula formulation that is up on the site in that tutorial as well. And I'm going to hold up so you can see from both cameras. So I'm just going to drop it in the water, and it sinks. It just sinks down to the bottom. Now let's look at this bar of soap. Y'all know if it makes me giggle, I giggle a lot over it. Look at it. It floats. Bloop. This one's really fun. Okay, I'm going to drop it in. Bloop. And it'll spin. If I had a bigger bowl, look, it always goes lake side up. I mean, I don't know why, but I'm just having so much fun playing with these little suckers. I don't normally do baths. I'm more of a shower gal, but this almost makes me want to take a bath. Floating soap.